What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. I figured I'd do a quick this is a full 24 hours after I've been mining. It's actually about a day and a half, but this is a 24-hour breakdown of the profitability of my 3800X here. So we're gonna go with this one because this is actually the lower performing one. I have one that's 2.19 and this one's 2.31. So the average hash rate's 2.19. Divided that by my total average hash rate of 28.12, and that comes out to 12%. So then I took my 24-hour payouts and timed those by 12%, and I got 40.9 coins. That's how I figured out how many coins my 2.1 kilohash was responsible for, because it fluctuates heavily up and down. If I go to the Raptoreum calculator, calculator, and let's see what it says we should be making on a 3800X. Oh, that's not the one I was looking for. These calculators, either they lag behind or they're a little too forgiving. It's never right on the money. So it says we should be doing a little over 2,000 hash, so right at 2 kilohash, and it says we should be making 19 per day. So this one's actually way low. I did double that on one 3800X. But if we go over to Raptoreum, we're at 5.2 cents at the moment, and we take our 40 coins times 5 cents. That means my 3800X did $2.04 in the last 24 hours before power. The rated power on these, I think it's like 120 watts. So that's like 36 cents a day. We'll go ahead and we'll take that out here. So we'll take out 0.36, and it means that CPU profited $1.68. So way better than the calculator was estimating, and I'm not sure why. I don't know if that was a difficulty thing. Let's actually look at some Raptoreum difficulty while we're here. Raptoreum difficulty. Network hash rate. Average network hash rate has still been increasing. Slowed down a little bit, but it's still increasing. Let's look at difficulty. Average difficulty. So actually, average difficulty went to 6.97 and then back down to 6.9. So average difficulty actually went down very slightly, but it did go down. I imagine that it's probably going to be continuing to go up because we saw some price come back up. I think that might have been from a couple people pulling offline, because average price over here did dip down into the 4-cent range. But yeah, so it's looking like I'm gonna keep these bad boys mining Raptoreum. I'm actually not selling any of it right now. I'm hoping that maybe the price does better. I'm gonna long hold these for a little bit, see what it does. Obviously this is not financial advice. This is just me telling you guys what my stuff is doing. So for example, a full rig was costing me right under $400. I think this one was actually $380. If you watch my video where I put it together, I'll put that link down below in the description. If we divide that by $1.68, that's what we were actually profiting after power. We're looking at a 226-day ROI. So I will do an update maybe after a full week of mining on this bad boy and see if the ROI holds true. But I'm not feeling bad about it at all. It's actually it's in the realm of GPUs. So, and this is the exact rig that I'm referring to right here. So, little 3800X with the AMD Wraith. I think it's the Wraith Prism. It's like the stock cooler for a lot of these GPUs. I'm running a single stick in 3200 megahertz. So I have that turned up just ever so slightly. I don't think that makes a big difference. But yeah. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This is Brandon on Brandon Coin, and the how to mine Raptoreum on Hive video. It should be coming out either later tonight or tomorrow. So just take a look for that, because a lot of people have been asking me about it. It's not hard to get set up at all. It actually mines a little bit better inside of Hive, I've noticed, than inside of Windows. A little bit better hash rate. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna get off here. Have a good night. Adios. Peace.